Hi guys, I live in UK, so there's no earthquake in. I would say there's no earthquake in UK. There's not a lot, but my mom lives in Turkey, and there is earthquake as sometime you get earthquake in Turkey, and these days they've been talking about it a lot. They're expecting, kind of expecting. So my mom requested me to do um, an earthquake alarm. So I made an earthquake alarm for her. It's very simple. I just assembled this, but when I go there, I will disassemble it. I'll disassemble it, and I just and take the parts and go there and reassemble again. So I've just done really not cosmetically, not really, very not really good looking. Uh, the the basic to understand the basic of it. So it may give an idea to everyone. To even when you're going holidays, somewhere where earthquake is, it may be good. You can make it quick there if you're especially if you're got a strong slip. So I'm gonna disassemble this, and I'll just reassemble again, and I'll show you how I bolt and how it works. Um, there's a buzzer on it, the 12 volt, but it can be used 5 volt as well. There's a on off button. The on off button for when you're not using, you just to turn it off, or avoid getting loud noise when you're not using it, or when you're setting up. There's a limit switch here to the end. The limit switches are serially connected to the system. There's the battery here, but it can be used 9 volt 9 volt standard battery, because this doesn't actually use drain any current when it's on standby, or when it's, I would say, like when it's working. So it stands like this. This is a normally serially connected, normally open, normally close contact. But when it's set up, when you put it up like this, it changes the position of the contact, and it turns the system off. Turns the buzzer off when you first tilt it. If it fails, and then changes the position again, it turns on the system, and as the buzzer start making noise. So I'll disassemble it quickly, and all the weight has to be on the top, so that it's easy to the tilt for any shaking to the ground. So it has to be tilted, or it fell down quick. It's fell off quick. Buzzer, I just taped with the battery on it, and I'll just remove. I'll remove the tape as well, the battery from the buzzer. So right. everything connects serial to each other. So there's a serial on-off button here, and this contact is also connected to the system, to the circuit serial as well, just like this. So the battery basically runs the buzzer over the contact, the limit switch. So when the limit switch is off, off contact, normal open contact, normal open, like this. So when it's applied the pressure, it's normal close, which is system is off. So I'll put everything back again. This is not actually a complicated system, but if you have basic of electrical basic or a basic electronic, you will easily understand how it works. The reason I put this piece of the wrap piece of paper on it, so I can squeeze the switch to the hole, because I don't know where the switch work, where the limit is. So I just squeeze it like this. So when I apply the pressure to it, like this, so I will know where the limit of it. So I know where the limit, and I can put a couple of drops of strong glue, and that stable it, so it doesn't move anywhere. And I'll put the tape, but I'm just doing it quick and simple, but you can do your own design or your own parts, like maybe like not 12 volt but a 5 volt buzzer, or a 9 volt battery can be used. Or can be used hot glue, not the tape. So I'll put this. Just put the tape back on again. The reason is bend it. It's accidentally bended, and I'm worrying that that will break if I make it straight. So that's how I use it, like this. So I just put everything back in, all the cables. All the weight, necessary weight, is on the top. If you keep the weight at the bottom, that will be more heavier, and it will be hard to tilt when the ground is shaking. So it stays like this. If, as you see, the limit switches are pushing the bottle away because it's not really that heavy enough. You can add more weight on the top anywhere to make it more heavy. You can use like a stone with a hot glue and just stick it to make sure that the switch is working properly. So it just normally stay like this, and just turn the button on. The system is on now. If the floor is shake, and it just tells if when the water falls down, the alarm work. Nobody get caught, especially when you're sleeping with the earthquake. My mom's sleeping is quite she sleep quite strong. She don't feel she don't hear anything when any noise or something. So this will be ideal for her, and also experience for me as well. Thank you for today. Bye.